Thank you, everyone, for having me and Telix at that meeting. About Telix, as a company, we have our proposal is like to help people with cancer and rare disease to live longer and better quality of life. And it's our mission to deliver on the promises of precision medicine through the target irradiation. And to reach these two actually statements, we have to build a unique pipelines on Telix Pharmaceuticals. And if you can see, like our pipelines is not a very tiny one. We have a lot of isotopes. You can see different isotopes, different phases of clinic or preclinical commercial phase products. And also if you can see targets, antibody, small molecules, and a very aggressive timeline. And that's how we work in Telix. Actually, Telix is not just the core pipelines. We have research pipelines, which is another list of products that's in a research phase or a development phase. And if you can see, we have a special, I would say, part called target alpha therapy, and we focus on two different isotopes, cysteine 211 and actinium 225. And both of them will be connected to antibody, which we believe that's the best combination on alpha isotopes. Here, it's just like a small example of what we are doing currently with actinium project on an antibody called Telix 592. It's a fast clearance antibody, which is matching what actually is the best combination between alpha isotopes and antibody target. So here, it's a small example of ex vivo biodistribution of 225 actinium dosimetry work in CD1 mice. And you can see that we can have two different doses, mass doses of groups. And we actually following the biodistribution by tissue collections in different time points, and we build this biodistribution numbers, and we can tracking this alpha by cut and count method. So here it's just like a very tiny example of what we are doing currently at Telix Pharmaceuticals. But the main focus, and I believe the most interesting part, is like Telix manufacturing solutions. We believe in Telix like without having a very strong manufacturing side that can deliver isotopes, ready to inject doses, logistics, and everything in one place. Radiopharmaceutical will not survive for a long time. So we need really to build this kind of total solution to be able to deliver patient with the right drugs and right treatment. So at the moment, we built a facility at Genève. It's in Brussels South. It's called Telix Manufacturing Solution. And that facility, it's one of the biggest facility, I believe, in the world. It's containing production activities, radionuclide production, R&D, quality control, and logistic and warehouse, all in the same place. And if you can see here, that's layout of the facility. At the moment, we have 9 GMP sites at Genève sites. That's meaning we can produce 9 products at the same time. We have a QC that's fully equipped with all the equipment required for alpha, beta, in isotopes, and also for small molecules quality control. We have 2 cyclotrons, which we plan to be installed before the end of this year, a purification room, because we are going to produce like a solid targets in that facility, which hopefully we work to be one of the targets as actinium, so we can have everything in one place, which is a great idea. And warehouse and logistic area for sending these doses all around the world, because at that site we have 2 airports, which is connected to most of the world, and it's able to handle radioactive doses. The facility is 2,500 meters squared, so it's huge. And it's just, we can actually have a land, it's all under the isotopes license, and that facility is just occupied 30% of this land. So we can duplicate this building quite easily. So as I say, like, it's just an introduction to the project. So we believe that we can contribute in different work package in that AlphaMed projects. And for work package 1, we think by having a facility like that can produce isotopes, make the dose, and we can follow all these alpha measurements in the same place. That would be a very good contribution to that AlphaMed project. And for work package 2, we can also be used as a facility because we're going to produce the clinical doses for clinical study, and we have our networks there. And for work package 3, which I mentioned, we have the like the labs, the R&D facilities to support that. And for image and dosimetry, also we have a very good connections, and we have a projects focus on that actually area.